good people. I hope you're doing well today. This is Irene and this is the Adroit Architecture YouTube channel. Welcome back to our channel. Here at Adroit Architecture, we are committed to providing affordable and on-point professional services in architecture, construction, and project management. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. We really value your support. For those of you who have subscribed, thank you very much for your continued support. Let me just take a moment and re-emphasize that. If you haven't subscribed, we ask you to kindly hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of people watching our content, but they haven't yet subscribed. Subscribing is absolutely free, and it is the best way for you to support us so that we can continue bringing you good information that will help you in your construction journey. Let's get into the video. Today, we bring to you the Thamani 5-bedroom house plan, an amazing, stunning, spacious, and modern home design for a big family. This home design is for those who are looking to build a luxurious home and they have more than enough land to go about it. This would be a perfect retirement home. Here are some key features of this home design. This home design comes with 2 master bedrooms, one upstairs and one downstairs. This is a good feature for your forever home. When you're older, you have the option of moving downstairs and avoiding staircases. Please note all the bedrooms have their own private bathroom. This home design also comes with a good number of terraces. These terraces give you numerous opportunities to set up and enjoy the outdoors from your home. There is so much you can do with the terraces for the family and for your guests. This home has a sweeping spiral staircase. I love this. We are used to staircases just being boring and functional. But in this home, the staircase is not only functional, but it is a beautiful statemental piece that you can design in so many ways. Let's take a look at the floor plan setup. You have a good-sized, semi-enclosed entrance porch that brings you into the spacious double-volume entrance lobby. This is an entrance lobby that does exactly what an entrance lobby ought to do. It provides a welcome area to your home, giving your guests the first impression of your beautiful home. You can make a major statement and lasting impression on your guests in how you set up and style the lobby to provide an amazing experience for your guests. The centerpiece of the entrance lobby is the grand sweeping spiral staircase. I remember watching movies when I was young and really loving homes with grand staircases. This is it exactly. Style it with an amazing array of art pieces, a beautiful hanging chandelier. The options are endless. Define your space as you want. Behind the beautiful staircase, you have a bit of space that you can use as a reading nook or a small working space for your family. A cloak room is also conveniently located at the lobby. This offers your guests a very convenient and discreet space to freshen up. Right ahead from the lobby, you have your main living room and your main dining room, seated side by side in an open plan setup. These are 2 nice and spacious rooms with enough space for all your furniture and circulation. A 2-sided fireplace sits between the living room and the dining room and will conveniently keep these 2 spaces nice, warm, and cozy on those dark, dreary, cold days. From the dining room, you have a door that leads you to your beautiful kitchen. This is a kitchen that fits every woman's dreams. You have enough worktops, storage, and a nice kitchen island to work on and enjoy your culinary skills and cooking adventures. Right there at the kitchen, you have a conveniently positioned walk-in pantry, providing you with all the storage space that you will need. Next to the pantry, you have a good-sized laundry room. The laundry room is set up and ready for all your laundry equipment. A door from the laundry leads you to the side yard. Here at the side yard is where you have your drying area, and it is also where you have your self-contained DSQ, your domestic servants quarter. This is conveniently located for your domestic house manager. Let's head back to the entrance lobby. On one side, you have a door that leads you to the downstairs master bedroom. This bedroom is nice and spacious with a corner closet and a private master bathroom. As you grow older, you may want to move your master bedroom downstairs to avoid the staircases. This bedroom can also work very well as a guest bedroom. And now let's head back to the living room and dining room. You have a set of 2 sliding doors that take you to the back terrace. This is your main outdoor entertainment zone. You have some cozy outdoor sofas as well as a huge dining table set up beautifully overlooking your gardens. Our beautiful spiral staircase takes you to the first floor. Upstairs, you have a lobby, and at the lobby, you have a family room or a TV room. This is where you and your family can throw back, chill, and enjoy some movie nights or some beautiful game nights. You have doors that lead you from the family room to a side balcony with another outdoor seating area setup. The master bedroom upstairs comes with its own private master bathroom and a walk-in closet. The master bedroom is nice and spacious, and it offers a nice cozy seating area. You have bedroom 3 and bedroom 4. Each bedroom is spacious enough for 2 occupants, and each bedroom comes with its own private bathroom. You have a nice and spacious office set up right at the corner. This spacious office can also be a study where you can have several people using it comfortably. A door leads from the office to yet another side balcony. As stated earlier, this home has a good number of outdoor terraces and balconies. You can do a lot with these spaces to enhance your living experience. And finally, the spiral staircase takes you to the attic. This space has been used to set up a home gym. Here is a perfect place that has been set up where you can pursue your fitness and wellness goals right at the comfort of your home. A key note that I would like to emphasize here is the way this home is set up, all bedrooms being en suite, 2 master bedrooms, 1 upstairs and another one downstairs, and with the numerous terraces and balconies. This can work very well as a guest house. So if that is your thought, consider this plan. The Thamani 5-bedroom house plan has a plinth dimension of 19.5 meters by 16.3 meters. This is what we call the footprint of the building. With that dimension, you need at least a 1/4 acre piece of land to build this home comfortably. That is 100 by 100. Of course, with the kind of home we are talking about, the more land you have, the better. The total living area of the Thamani 5-bedroom house plan is 524 square meters. On the ground floor, we have 212 square meters, and on the first floor, we have 285 square meters. The attic gives you an additional 26 square meters, and the ground terrace is 37 square meters. The first floor terrace gives you another 54 square meters. So this is a high-end home, and it needs a good budget for construction. So as of October 2023, we are looking at about 24 million as the approximate construction cost. We use the construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This is a good rate to have in mind, but always remember a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction. And so, ladies and gentlemen, that is the Thamani 5-bedroom house plan, a luxurious and spacious 5-bedroom house plan, all bedrooms en suite, with 2 master bedrooms and an attic gym. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you would like to inquire about this house plan or any other house plan that we have featured, you can get in touch with us. We have provided our email addresses as well as our telephone contacts. Get in touch with us. Keep in mind that any house plan that we have featured can be customized to fit your needs. Thank you very much for watching this video. That is what we had for you today. Until next time, this is Irene. I'll see you in our next video.